This lesson, we're going to be looking at the view output. So for the view, you've got an option to go full screen. So going into full screen, and you can also press escape to show the controls or to hide the controls. So going into view, full screen, and that gives you some more real estate to work with. A lot of people do prefer seeing the tools, but if you do if you're using a smaller size screen and you do need the space, then you can always go to full screen. Also under view, there's a few options here to show the ruler. So if you need the ruler or don't need the ruler, you can hide and show the ruler. There's also the show document outline. So that was that little outline pop-up that was there. And when you do click the outline, that's going to work off of the headings. So you can hide and show that if you need that. There's also the equation toolbar. So this one is hidden by default because this one isn't commonly used, but if you do need to create equations, then you've got the option here that you can get the Greek letters, you can get all of these different equation formats and add that into your document. So this is another option of adding different types of characters and different styling equations that you can add to your document. So typically it is hidden, and also you don't need the outline or you don't need the ruler unless you're actually looking for that. There's also the section breaks. So what showing the section breaks is, that's going to show you this dotted line where the sections are breaking. So that's where it's detecting that these are different sections and it's grouping it by section. So sometimes you do need to go ahead and insert different breaks. So you can do different section breaks. You can also do page breaks. And what a page break will do is this will automatically create a brand new page. So automatically end the page and create a brand new page. Inserting section breaks, kind of the same idea, where it adds the different section breaks, and then we've got the view of the section breaks. We can see those section breaks with that blue dotted line that we're looking at. If you've got your content formatted with columns, then you can also insert column breaks. So that will end the content in the column and it'll move you to the next top of the next column. So this gives you more options on formatting with the columns. And then the view gives you more options on how you can view and interact with your document. And besides that, you can also change the layouts. So you can go from print layout to just the regular layout, and this is the print layout, so this is what it's going to look like on print. There's also the different modes, so if you're just going in the viewing mode, that's going to look different because you're going to have less options. You can also switch back to the suggested mode, so you see the suggestions, and then you can also have the editing mode, so you'll see the suggestions and we can edit the content and it's not going to apply the suggestions. So if you're in suggestion mode, then it will be tracking all the suggestions. There's also the quick menu on the right hand side that does the same thing.